Whether baking holiday goodies or preparing chocolate-covered treasures, melting all types of chocolate doesn't have to be complicated or messy. Using my tricks of the trade, I'll show you the easiest and neatest way to prepare your solid chocolates for dipping, pouring, and drizzling. If you follow these simple steps, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, and everything in between will become creamy, lush, and easy to pour, drip, dip, and drizzle. I learned this method while formulating organic skincare using natural waxes and oils. It keeps everything heated evenly, preventing burnt, curdled, or chocolate blossom, where chocolate gets that white powdery coating on it. First, I fill my crock pot or slow cooker about 2 inches deep with clean tap water. I heat the water on low for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, I grab a tall drinking glass for each type of chocolate I will be melting. A Pyrex measuring cup would be great, but I found the cups too large around and not deep enough for dipping pretzel rods. Place the glasses into the preheated water and allow them to come to the temperature of the water. Allowing the drinking glasses to heat is essential for even heat distribution. There's another trick to help with uniform melting. I'll let you in on my secret for that in a minute. Add your chocolate chips, wafers, or shreds into the preheated glasses as they sit in the warm water bath. Don't ever put entire cubes of chocolate into the glasses. This will cause the bottom to melt rapidly while the top remains much cooler. It's much better to chop or shred chocolate into smaller pieces before adding them to the warm glasses. This is my trick for melting white, dark, or milk chocolate faster and more evenly. Once the chocolate begins softening at the bottom of the glass, place a stainless butter knife down the center of the glass. The surrounding chocolate supports the knife as the heat from the bottom conducts throughout the entire length of the knife. This results in rich, creamy, perfectly melted chocolate. Use the knife to stir the chocolate slowly to encourage speedier, even melting. Once the chocolate is completely melted, remove the glass from the warm water bath and wipe the bottom with a dry dish towel. This is important because any water contacting the chocolate will cause it to cool prematurely and discolor. Now you're ready to dip, drizzle, and pour your perfectly melted chocolate into all your delicious creations. Some of our favorite treats are chocolate-dipped pretzels, strawberries, and truffles. They're simple to make, and they always are devoured within minutes. Another great idea for melted chocolate is on top of cakes, particularly chocolate pound cake. Drizzle it over donuts and add sprinkles for a special treat. If you don't have the patience for dipping strawberries, you can simply lay them on wax paper and drizzle the chocolate from above. It's always fun to mix and match chocolates for a colorful and tasty combination. What's your favorite way to use melted chocolate? If you found today's video helpful, please like and subscribe. I try to put out new content every week. Until next time, God bless.